Hey y'all, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this flicker. And this is actually a logo of another flicker I taught in the past. And this is how it flies. Ooh, that's one heck of a flicker. So yeah, 2 years ago I taught a flicker that's this shape from one square. But this is the logo version of it. Ooh yeah. Want to learn it? Here goes. So for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half in all directions. Try to make very precise folds and crease sharply. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn how to fold this shape from a single uncut square, I put that video right there in the card. And diagonally in half. Okay, unfold and blintz. So fold the four corners to the center. This is a pretty simple model, so if you're new to folding, then this is a good model for you. Unfold that. Okay, and now what we're going to do is actually keep one folded like this. And take this edge and we're going to fold it to that intersection point right there. And make sure the edge is right here aligned too. And crease sharply. Do not unfold that. Now we're going to refold this on that crease. And then we're going to do the same thing all the way around. Fold this raw edge to that intersection. And then fold on that crease. And as you can see, it's already taken shape. And now, same thing, fold the raw edge to the intersection. Okay, now this one, let's kind of undo this for this last one. And then take this edge and fold it to the intersection. Yeah, we're just finishing it off. There we go. Now, fold on the crease. And then we're gonna, this is the tricky step here, we're gonna fold this in like that. And we make kind of a swivel there. So it finishes off right there. And look, there's my my X Flicker logo. And this is actually pretty cool because if you turn it over, it disappears, but when you shine it up to a light, it reappears like that. Okay, now let's make it into a flicker. It's not going to fly really good like this because of these flaps sticking up, so we're going to kind of close them down a little bit by turning over and making these 4 folds here. Remember, if I'm going too fast, you can always pause and catch up. I forgot to say that. Okay, fold this up in between these 2 points. Okay, and crease that really sharply. Alright, and do that 3 more times. So fold in between this point and that point. And then here. I'm in Texas, by the way, at my grandparents' house. I'm actually doing a nice coast trip tomorrow to the beach. And I'm gonna make some videos there too. And I already got some models that are ready to teach too. Oh, that origami jellyfish I posted on my community tab recently, that's one of them I'm going to teach at the beach. And that video will probably be up maybe next week. Alright, and now just crease everything sharply. all the way around. If you really want it to be flat, stick it under something heavy overnight, like a pile of books. But I'm not going to do that, because I'm not patient enough. Alright, now just give it some curvature. This will make it fly a little bit better, curving it, because it'll give it some lift. Because it's convex on this side and concave on this side. Alright, that's good enough. And there it is. Oh, and also, what's also cool about it is that if you turn it over on this side, these edges here, it looks like a ninja star. See that? If you look closely at it, it's a ninja star. And on this side, it's my X Flickr logo. Alright, let's see how it flies. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So, I'm going to hold it by the side and flick on the top. Oh, that was not good. Let me try that again. And let me give it some more curvature. There we go. You gotta flick it right. Like it has to spin a lot in the air to make it fly well. There we go. That was sweet. Okay, I'll do it a few more times. That's a pretty good flicker. I like that one a lot. Oh yeah. Okay, one more time. Oh yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to fold that flicker and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.